If you saw someone in the middle of a sickle cell crisis, you might not see a single bandage or a drop of blood, but they are experiencing some of the most intense pain known to medicine. Welcome back to the Sickle Cell for General Public series. I'm Ogweno Stephen, a global public health practitioner. We need to talk about the vaso-occlusive crisis. When those crescent-shaped cells block blood flow, the pain is described by patients as being stabbed repeatedly or having their bones crushed from the inside. Because this pain is internal, patients are often misunderstood. When they go to the emergency room, they might be accused of seeking drugs or exaggerating. But a crisis is a medical emergency. It can be triggered by cold weather, dehydration, stress, or even high altitudes. As a public, we must move away from judgment and towards support. When a sickle cell warrior says they are in pain, believe them. Their body is fighting an invisible war, and empathy is the first line of treatment. Hi, I'm Ogweno Stephen, a patient advocate and a global health practitioner. Let's make health an everyday reality and see you on the next one.